A traditional system in the wet mopping is still the vertical mop assortment. Vileda Professional offers a range which fits all needs, from the innovative UltraSpin Mini to a small and flexible system with several mop materials in the SuperMop range to a traditional Kentucky mop system up to a twist mop which could be used without any press. As all sites differ in size, floor coverings, volume of traffic, hygiene, and health and safety requirements, one floor cleaning system is not sufficient to meet all needs. That is why Vileda Professional offers a comprehensive range of sustainable, durable, and single-use solutions tailored to match your requirements. From the new Sweat Class and UltraFlex DUO pre-prepared systems, through to the Bucket and Press UltraSpeed Pro, UltraSpeed Mini, and SuperMop systems. That is why Vileda Professional offers a comprehensive range of sustainable, durable, and single-use solutions tailored to match your requirements. From the new Sweat Class and UltraFlex DUO pre-prepared systems, through to the Bucket and Press UltraSpeed Pro, UltraSpeed Mini, and SuperMop systems. By choosing the correct system for your requirements, you can achieve better performance, ergonomics, lower your overall total cost in use, and improve your sustainability targets. This is the hygienic socket mop system for cleaning of a small area. Vileda Professional SuperMop is a compact socket mop system for use in small hard floor areas in cafes, restaurants, hotels, kitchens, canteens, bathrooms, and many more places. The unique construction of both SuperMop AG and SuperMop Micro AG hinders the growth and multiplication of bacteria and now contains silver ions that inhibit 99.99% of bacteria growth within the mop. Microcot is a mix of cotton and microfiber, bringing superior cleaning compared to conventional bulky cotton mops. It combines the high absorption of cotton with the excellent cleaning efficiency of microfibers.